If you're looking for a super sleek, portable carpet cleaner that won't break the bank, let me introduce you to this Uwant Y100 I was just gifted in cobalt blue. As you can see, it's a really nice slim style. It has a very easy handle on the top. Right here, you have both of your water tanks in one jug, so you can have this fill up with whatever cleaning fluid you want, whether it just be water or a concentrate cleaner and water, and then your dirty water tank where it's gonna suction up everything it's cleaning. And then it has a very simple on-off switch on the top, an exceptionally long power cord. We're looking at almost 12 feet here. And then you have a nice long hose and your main brush accessory. This just pops right on. And then once on, when you hold down this button, it will spray out the top if you have any cleaning fluid to spray out, and it will continue to suction through these little holes right here. You can take it apart completely to clean that section as well. This is where the suction is going. And then it also has a few options for brush heads. You have your standard bristle brush, which is great for working on stains. I like to work the stain while spraying and suctioning to just clean everything even faster. You can pop this off though and flip it over, and the other side's almost more like a silicone material, really nice for getting up pet hair while you're working on the stain. And then if you have something that's more delicate, you have kind of this softer, almost microfiber cushion-like scrubber as well. And then it also has a self-clean accessory. This attachment just goes right on. And then when you spray, it's actually just gonna suck right down and clean the tube out for you. And then finally, it does come with Uwant's Oxy Spot and Stain Remover. They also do have a concentrate, and you are not in any way limited to using Uwant's cleaners. You can use whatever cleaner you want, in this portable carpet cleaner. So in this video, I'm gonna put it to the test on this carpet with some coffee. Now I'm just gonna use the standard bristle brush, and I am just going to clean with water and the 18 kPa suction and see how well this does. Now this carpet's seen better days. I use it for all my tests, but it's a great carpet for that since it's light in color. So I'm just gonna pour a bunch of coffee here, and then we're just gonna test this really simple stain, but it's a great test stain as it's a common item that can spill, and it really shows the power of the Uwant. So let me show you. Now to start off with, I am just gonna turn on and let the suction pull up as much as possible, and then I'll start to scrub. Again, since I'm only using water and suction here, I'm not gonna spray as much as I would if I was using a heavy-duty clean solution. My main test here is to see how powerful this suction really is and how much it can get out without an additional cleaning solution. So let me turn this on. It is noisy when I run it. All of these cleaners are, so I won't be talking while I run it, but I'll let you listen to it for a moment as well. And with just suction alone, you can see that it pulled up quite a bit. Now I'm gonna see how well just spraying it with water and doing some simple scrubbing while suctioning gets up the rest of this. And as you can see, that did a remarkable job. It's not perfect because, again, something like coffee really does need a cleaning fluid as well, but that did a fantastic job. So I am really impressed with this. It's giving me the suction I want to see and the option to spray down the cleaner I want to see. So I will go ahead and use their spot and stain remover now. What's nice about this is that this really is something that you can spray, walk away for a minute, and then come back and suck up because it will work better if you do so. Now it's only been about 30 seconds, but I'm just gonna go ahead and suction this up, see how it does. And I actually think the carpet looks better now than it did before I even poured down the coffee stain. Now, this isn't my first time testing a Uwant carpet cleaner, so I was prepared for how well this would clean. It cleans as I expect. It's really nice, powerful cleaner. It does a great job. It is at a more affordable price point than some of the other cleaners out there, and that is one of their primary differentiators. I also do like that they are branching out into different colors, so you can choose different colors you may like. This cobalt blue is very, very dark. I would almost say it leans more into the gray than the blue, but it is quite pretty and it gets the job done. I hope this video helps you make a decision.